In this video, I will show you how to add a payment gateway in Hostinger Website Builder. Once you're inside your Hostinger Website Builder, click on this little online store icon. First, set up your store. Now that your store is activated, go to Website Builder and hit Store Manager. To set up your payment, you can either click on this Set up Payment button or go to Store Settings. Look for Payments. As you can see, for payments, you can either add the local Go, which is a payment gateway known for the Latin American countries. You can also add PayPal as a payment gateway or Stripe. To connect Stripe, just click on Connect. Now just fill in your email address and follow the process. To add PayPal, just go back to your Hostinger Website Builder. Click on Connect next to PayPal. As you can see, you need to have a PayPal business account to receive payment from PayPal. I don't want to set up my PayPal for this account, so I will not continue the process. And this is how to add a payment gateway in Hostinger Website Builder.